Hello everyone, so this is Shruti Ahuja and in this video we are going to talk about biochemistry important in answer writing tips for MBBS first year students. Okay, so first of all you need to ensure the cycles, flowcharts, diagrams are there in your answer sheet, and these cycles and flowcharts will only ensure like it is basically proportional to the quality of your answer sheet in biochemistry. So clinical correlation in every question is very important because sometimes everything is right, you haven't written the clinical correlation, and don't think that it is not asked in the question. Even if it is not asked, do write it. Write about the definition of the what is asked in the question. For example, G6PD deficiency is asked, right? So you need to ensure you write what is G6PD, where it is present, what is the role, what is the importance, then clinical correlation, then G6PD deficiency, and everything about it. So this will help you create content. So in difference between, if it is a 5 mark question, then do write 10 points, and that should be a valid 10 points of difference, and they should be like, if possible, do write criteria also, because that will ensure that you are writing valid points. Next, never write like wrong info as a bad impression, and don't waste time on 2 markers. Like sometimes we fill 2 to 3 pages in 2 marker question only, but that is not required. In 2 marker question in biochem, you need to ensure that the reason is correct. Right? If it is, even if it is written in 1 line or 2 lines, and the reason is correct, then you will get 2 marks. And even if you write 2 pages and the reason is not matching, or you are just beating around the bush, then you will not get a single mark. So they are very strict in marking. And study from this book, because I think so this is a must read before exams. Don't build concepts from such book like Satyana and Vasudevana, such books. Build concepts from standard books like Harper or Lippincott, whichever you like. But for exams you can refer such sources because they have something exam oriented with Indian concept and taste. Okay, so this was all about biochemistry, a very short review and video. So I hope if you liked it, then do like it and share it with your friends, and if any queries and for feedback, do put it in the comment box.